Hi guys, Colin Poulter here and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Right, before we go flying, I thought I'd give you a quick tour of the new recording studio that I've just set up. This is basically my daughter's old room, so there's a couple of shelves up there with a few bits and pieces, and there's my camera shelf, clock obviously, a few CDs, camera stand, and a couple of computers, got a scanner there, got my old video editing computer down there, got the mixer obviously, got a small network installed so I can go online, and up there there's a couple of bits. There's my 6000 volt transformer for the Tesla coil, which is sort of like an ongoing project, and over there's my amplifier system. There's one Gale monitor speaker there, then we've got a KVM switch, got a VHS DVD system. There's the other left hand Gale speaker, and then we go down to the microphone boom, and I've got a vocal mic on there with a pop shield which we can sort of swing out the way. Down there's my Korg X5D mother keyboard, then we've got my computer keyboard monitor, and of course my quad core video editing music computer. There's a 2 terabyte hard disk drive there, all-in-one HDD docking station. There's another 2 terabyte outboard hard drive there, external DVD rewriter. That's about it really. Down there I've got my flight box for my petrol aircraft. Got oxygen bottle for an ongoing project, a few knickknacks. And over this side of the room we have some other bits and bobs, DVDs, office sort of stuff, tennis balls, my tennis ball cannon, rocket launcher thingamajiggy. We'll skip past that. We've got my laptop and some cassettes and VHS storage. We've got wireless scanner printer, a couple of other bits, got phantom power, external supply, and on charge up there are a couple of modules, and this is like the charging side of things. Got my radios. Down here I've got my IMAX charger, my LiPo batteries for the 3-cell 2.2s, and there's another charging station up here at the moment. My wing cam is on charge. Down here, there she is, so I might put that on the plane tonight. So everything's charged up. Got 3 Turner G2.2 11.13S batteries there which are charged, and there's one in my Bixler. There's my soldering station, and then under here, just pull this out, this is like my sort of repair, fix it sort of desk. And I think on my YouTube video I've got me very young riding around on my BMX scooter X thing. That's the BMX scooter, got down a tip, and I put a hedge cutter engine on it, and yeah. So this is sort of my office come studio setup. In my wardrobe you normally keep clothes, I've got things like my skateboard, my paintball gun, I've got my potato cannon, I've got my tennis ball cannon that's in there, and then I've got another barrel which I've got a muzzle brake on. So, and there's a few bits and pieces up there. There's a set of spanners for the ICs, and my frisbee, and down there there's a couple of bits and plain stuff, and I've got my 5-metre parafoil and some other bits and pieces. So there you go, that's a little bit of a tour. And on the coat hooks, instead of coats, I've got audio cables and bits and bobs for my KVM switch, and then basically a background to the camera, scanner and mixer. And there's my office chair that I sit at when I'm doing some music or video editing. So I've done this little bit of a start video because I know there's a few of you like Joe Ag and Pete, Steve, Mike, Chris and a couple of others have sort of asked, you know, how's the studio coming on? So I thought I'd just bung this on the front of tonight's flying, and hopefully, whatever the time is now, it's well 6 minutes past 5, so I'll probably go down the beach about 5:30, 6ish, something like that. So see you down there. Cheers then. Well, hi guys, it's 23 minutes past 5, and what an absolutely glorious night. Well, it's not night as in dark, but you know, a glorious evening. It's a nice southerly wind, it's coming straight off the beach, and the sun's still quite high, so we'll see how the flying goes. There's no sign of the RC Model Geeks yet, but I guess I'm just a little bit on the early side. But there you go. So tonight, gentlemen, we have my faithful old Bixler, and I've bought the Hobby King 2 camera, got my DX6i. Might stick the camera on the front tonight since it's quite a nice clear evening, and see if we can get some nice views of Highland Island. So right, I'm going to sit in the car and soak up a bit of this glorious sun, and wait and see who turns up. This looks like Rob. Looks like he's got a car full of planes. There he is. And
oh no,
well,
being a whole piece of camera.
Yeah, and Rob, why did you make me shit my pants down? I thought you were literally coming in the back of the car.
Yeah, what it is, pain in the arse.
Yeah. Do you know something?
Oh my fucking hell! Don't look like a cunt anymore.
Oh
my fucking hell! Don't look like a cunt anymore.
Oh
my fucking hell! Don't look like a cunt
I won't
anymore.
edit that bit out. So what are we flying tonight then?
Oh, who knows? Wingnetic.
Oh yeah,
Yak 55.
Wingnetic, yeah, 55.
Glasses.
Ooh. Can't see that sunshine in the car. Can we see through the sunroof? No. I'll just have to wait until you get it out, mate. We'll edit that bit out. And here we have Mark. All right, mate. I've already filmed Rob trying to drive into the back of my car.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, this is Mark.
Yeah. Get your nose out, you.
What's he got in there? What is it? Is it good?
Tough to say.
Can we see?
Might make it out.
Looks like a... I'll just open the door and... Go on then, show us what you got.
No.
Oh, sorry Phil.
There's a plane flying.
Yeah, I know.
Go film that.
He's up. Oh, I've filmed that one loads of times. Oh, there's nothing in there.
In there.
It's an empty boot.
That's no good, is it?
Oh, you'd have to fill that up. Hey, Phil.
Yeah.
It's absolutely lovely. Sweet. Oh, you got the yes. Okay. That is awesome. That. Absolutely awesome. Mate of mine, Simon Smith, who you don't see very often, has got one of those. That's nice. Oh, what do they call them? The tank buster thing with a minigun on the top.
What, an A10?
A10 Warthog.
Yeah.
Yeah, twin turbine. He wants to have made that at some point.
Wow. I'm building one of them.
Oh, are you? Yeah. Yeah.
The American equivalent to the, what's it called, grasshopper. That's right.
Oh, I like the
With construction, all this plastic takes the wing.
best part.
Oh, I see, yeah.
All this takes
Nice
the wing.
picky.
That's strong, isn't it?
That's solid, isn't it?
The rest is
Lovely.
stone.
Nice big prop on there, look at that.
Yeah, big
For
nice.
it. Big old prop.
I was going to say, what you could do is when you've got the wing on the ground, if you start it up just slowly, just so it's just sort of turning like that, and then just go a bit quicker, I can add some sound to it, take some sound from the original, and add it to the video.
Really?
That'd be well cool, wouldn't it? Yeah,
That sort of noise. Like an oyster sort of sound.
yeah.
Oyster.
You got to be concentrating on maiden in it, don't you?
That'd be fine.
It's lovely.
Nice.
Very nice.
There she goes. Oh, it's a popper. Oh, it's got a good. You're right. It was grasshopper.
The wind direction's straight, what am I supposed to do?
How was that for you?
It was very nice, thank you.
That was a short flight.
It's got some serious CG issues.
Yeah, it was a bit.
You see it sort of go,
Well, hang on.
I think the tail was heavier than the.
How heavy? It's got a tad mark. Yeah, I mean, I did notice it was a little bit nose high. I just thought that was bad flying, but
that.
I thought it was nerves or something.
And here we are
You got
again.
any,
What have you got to put up?
Lead?
Oh, well, we've got a...
Sorry, lead.
Some
Yeah,
pretty colours.
You got
Ooh.
lead of your mark.
So that is a.
Dragon wing.
That looks nice. Yeah. That's different. What's that called again?
A dragon wing,
A dragon wing. All right.
or winged dragon even it says.
As Rob would
A
say,
winged dragon. Oh,
awesome.
awesome. Well, we'll see if it's awesome when it gets up. If it
All
gets
right.
up.
Are you going to fly? Is that a maiden then?
This is a maiden.
That's another maiden. Well, just hope it doesn't do what your one did before.
No, I don't. That needs a little bit of.
That needs a little bit of adjustment, doesn't it?
It does a bit.
What was it? When it was out of sight, give it back to Colin.
Yeah, that was it. That's my tip of the day. If you can't see it, just give it to Colin. And say home.
Yeah, and only just.
Only just.
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah,
And we've got the trusty
the trusty Bexler
with the
Mark 1
with the
with the weak.
with the weak engine.
Yeah, the weak engine.
Okay,
Tick over engine.
okay. All right.
And inside, it's not an aeroplane, but it has
Oh, got something else.
a hovercraft.
A
I'm not
hovercraft.
going to go today because it's in build. You can see them there.
Oh, crikey, that looks nice.
It's in build. The motor's not fixed, it's just there for
Right, okay.
alignment.
Crikey, it's quite big, isn't it?
Yeah, not as big as my other one.
All right.
Yeah, that's quite
Cool.
big. Look at that.
Yeah,
Well
sure.
done for Mike's benefit. Mike, the mechanic, he's into this sort of thing.
Yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, that's lovely.
Put it in something.
Excellent. Here, Rob, got a maiden for you.
The wings just pop out.
Yeah.
That is awesome. That's big. Mike's going to wet himself when he sees that.
Yeah, that's what he was just saying.
Yeah. That is stonkingly good.
But it's, as you can see, we're just lining things up, and that's got to be replaced with a two-bladed. Three-bladed in there is useless.
Yeah. So you've got a separate lift fan, have you?
Yep.
Yep.
That's in there. If I can unscrew it.
So where does it draw the air for the lift fan then? Oh, through the front there.
Through the, is it through there? Through the, a little bit more.
Screw it a bit tight.
Oh, yeah.
And it blows it. You can see little slots there. Into the slot so that it fills up
yeah.
the bag.
Is that from a plan or is that from your head?
That's
There we
plan.
go.
If you
slots
can
each
download
side.
them off the Model Hovercraft Association website.
Awesome.
It's Griffin 2000.
I like that.
And then under there is where all the electrics go.
Oh, that's just great. Yeah.
They're all going
There's
to go in there.
another prop in there.
Yeah. But I've got to change the speed control because I've uprated this to a
Hey, Sarge, get
great big 550 watt one.
I'm doing my best. Yeah, the mad,
What was that you said?
the mad dog of Halion would love that. There he is. That's not the mad dog of Halion, but he would love that, wouldn't he? He would.
So it's in build, you can see it's not.
So that's a fairly hefty old motor you've got on the back of that.
It's got to be. I mean, it's amazing how much friction there is on that size of skirt.
Cool.
It's a shame you can't get a multi-bladed propeller, isn't it? More multi-bladed than that.
But
What about just a 120mm ducted fan? That would push it along.
I tried.
Yeah, but
I
it's
tried
like noise and
I
no
had,
grunt, isn't it?
Yeah, I had one of these exactly the same, and I put two ducted fans on the back. It wouldn't shift it. It would
Wouldn't
not even move
No.
it. No, it's
Ducted
so
fans
annoying.
don't have high thrust
Yeah.
at low speed. They only build up their thrust once they get going.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But it's just
that is sexy though.
that was a two-bladed.
I could get into hovercraft, you know.
Hmm.
Propellers on the wrong way, of course.
Yeah. Well,
Is
it's
it?
only on there just to get the diameter
What's this?
right, get the positioning.
All right. Just another one.
That's nice, isn't it?
All right.
Big.
That looks better.
That's much better.
That's better.
That's much better.
Do you remember when one of those goes through? Really?
That's wicked, that is. Beautiful, as they say. Even the crows like it.
Got some rolls.
Already? Really?
Yeah, it's alright. Put those up and roll it.
Yeah.
Leisurely.
That one's even got moulded shape.
That quiet, Mark.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Got something. Whoa. Got a sharp flip. Good job those wings are screwed on. Beautiful.
What's it like having a model that actually flies right?
Nice.
Oh!
Oh, you're alright.
Crack!
Beautiful.
Heavy.
Little bit. But the size of those springs on there, I'm sure it survived. Cool.
Is it ready to go, Mike? Is it ready to go?
I've not trimmed it or checked it.
That's lovely, isn't it?
So,
Wow.
Simon's one looks alright as well.
Yeah.
It's not a Hobby King one, is it?
What's your hands? If you just want to hold on there and one this side, because your arm's in the way, this arm here is in the way of the retracts.
Oh, if I hold like that?
Okay.
God!
Bloody hell.
Floor now.
They come down quick, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Probably better off on a tarmac or the grass.
Fancy nose
Look at that.
Nose weight up front.
You get it off on over there. No problem at all, Mike.
Whoa.
Go on the tarmac, Mike.
It'll be fine over on that bit.
Yes, do.
Take it over there, Mike.
We'll fly it for you.
Tarmac.
What point you, Mark?
Yeah, we'll leave it for a minute.
I've just made mine. Come on, man.
Yeah, go on, do it.
You know,
Go on, do it. Yeah, that's it.
I don't know what that battery's like. I'm going to put a different one in.
Here we go, here come the excuses.
Different battery to put in. I don't think...
Don't let him put both hands on it.
Hey?
You near that radio? Isn't it? Chipped properly, huh?
Huh?
He just chipped it. There's a chip. No, he didn't chip that. That's all he chipped.
No.
Careful, it's live.
Yeah, very live. What's that buzzing?
That'd be alright.
Oh, it's the retract.
Wouldn't it?
I reckon probably take off from the tarmac road there, once it's up.
Just spot on, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's lovely, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it can't be a hanger queen, this one.
No.
No. Who made
Oh, that's
this?
Phil bleeping.
That's me believing, yeah. I've
Yeah.
got to try this one.
It look. I don't Hobby King do this.
That's,
That's a lovely dog, isn't it?
let's get a close up of the.
It doesn't weigh anything.
It's not.
So long.
Mike, Maggie Thatcher isn't in there, mate. I can either tarmac or that grass over there. Trouble is when you come back in, he's got to land back on the.
out of line compared to that one, the right one.
Pointing down right.
Slightly down, isn't it?
Yeah. What was that?
That was
Phil's
Phil.
crashed.
Damn it.
Oh, yes.
I think the lead boy's still on the charger.
Yeah. I think there's something wrong with that motor, isn't there?
It's that retract there's chattering away because there's under a bit of strain. These are
It's
just
definitely pointing down and on the left.
yeah, they're both pointed down.
It's not connected.
No, that's something wrong with that one.
Yeah, that's the one that's flying it. It needs all checking out and what have you.
And that one's pointing up. Yeah, I wouldn't fly it.
I'm not going to fly.
Lovely model, Mike.
That is
Nice
awesome
one.
model, mate.
Simon's ones looks pretty good.
He's got a
but
warthog, hasn't he?
The warthog, that wing there is sloping down a little bit instead of straight out. And
Do you know that's where it's been stored?
Just up in there.
But that's lovely, isn't it? Let's get
It's gorgeous.
Well, certainly not the paint off of that, can it? But
Yeah.
Yeah, you need soft tarmac or
It's that
really,
motor out
really,
there, mate. It wobbles.
yeah,
really.
it does. So I noticed.
Just disconnect the battery because you.
Yeah,
live.
that is quite loose, isn't it? Right, let's go back to
What's his name?
Yeah, it's got Dean's connectors in there, and I've been knocking up some leads. I think the other lead is still on the... Yeah. It does need checking out.
That's probably why that one caught, like it's pointing right down.
It was low anyway, but I think I've probably just done that with it.
Right.
Like, so.
Lovely.
Looks nice, isn't it? I don't know what it's... I'm hoping it'll fly really scale like
Sweet.
So.
That'll look nice in the air, mate. Here we have Mike. It's going to fly a helicopter.
Maybe.
Maiden. Helicopter maiden. Right. E-fly. E-sky.
I had a couple of practices in the living room, so I don't know how good or bad this thing's going to be.
I'm looking forward to Simon flying his warthog.
Yeah,
oh, look!
He wants you to maiden it, you said?
Yeah, it's a mad dog of hailing. There he goes. Yeah. Right. Here we go.
This is like the one we got it.
That looks pretty cool.
Got little lights and things on there.
We've got one of these in the garage.
It's probably too windy for it.
Might be.
It's going to be quite a rudder plane.
Here we go for takeoff. And we have ignition. Oh, nearly. Go for it, Mike, and then just... Go for it, go for it. Go for it. Oh, yeah. Go on, Mike. Get there. Give it some. Yes. Look at that. Oh.
The other one probably be better. It's heavy.
Yeah. You're going to go for the other one?
No, it's the rotor doesn't kick in until you get about half throttle on the other one for some reason.
Alright, okay.
So I think it's probably potentiometer he's knocking it out with.
Okay.
It's all trying to go before. Is that breeze? We've got some sort of rudder.
Well,
Too much breeze
you've got,
going on. Okay.
Getting a bit of updraft as well.
Let's go for it. We're going to go. Yeah.
Hang on, maiden. Hang on, another maiden. I'll leave Mike for a minute.
And just let it.
Okay.
Yeah?
Not a truck.
You don't really want to chuck it too hard. You want to move forward and let it come out your hand.
Okay.
Not too nose up. It's a little bit nose up there. That's it.
Well, she flies. Bring it to us and we can.
Look at that.
And we can catch it.
Oh, well, I'm trying to.
Ooh.
Somebody better run after it.
I can't because of my back.
Leave it!
That's amazing.
Excellent.
Didn't it glide?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Hey? It's gliding from over there.
It didn't want to come down, did it?
It just stops and then. Excellent. Mike's in the air.
Mike is a pro.
Look at that.
Look at that cool stance he's got there. We got one you can fly.
Got a bit higher, Mike. That's right. That's right. I've got these are safety glasses. That is so cool.
That's flying really well.
That's better than the other one.
I think Mike's got a hit of skill.
Yeah, I heard he's good with his chopper. Nice, Mike. Where are you going? Mad dog. No, you don't like that.
Hey, he's coming after it.
Get her, Richard! Flimming thing. Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Hey! Oh!
That's what I say.
Mayday! Mayday!
Yep.
That's all right.
Yeah.
It's only
Once it starts buggering off, it's a bit hard work to keep hold of it. Like,
it's only chucked its battery out.
that and half. Get warm quick.
Is that lipo?
That's much better than those other type, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, the lights,
I like the lights.
You light on top there as well somewhere.
Did you have to modify it at all?
I just put a battery in it and.
Because we got some
excellent.
we've had to modify it.
Yeah.
Change the bottom one round.
Yeah. The other one I've got in there doesn't want to.
Those ones with the rudder on, you know, the prop up.
They are very. I had one like this years ago.
Yeah,
and it really was
that way.
Really was good.
On the back.
Yeah. It really was quite good. Very unsteady when it starts going. You just got to get the thing off the floor initially.
Yeah, just give it some to get it in the air and then back the throttle off.
No, because that's what happened now. I lost it because it was out of control. Like.
Let's just take it off from my hand.
No, it's not that steady, mate. You got to believe me.
Once you get her in the air, she'll be alright. Put it off the picnic bench. You're away. He's a bugger. You're a bugger, ain't you? I want to go. Whoa. This is with the 3S in it, is it? That sounds a bit more thingy bob, Mike, with the 3S in it.
Yeah.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Still gliding. It's almost refusing to turn. You can see it go, no, I want to go back to level.
Yeah.
But it's up there, isn't it? It is, isn't
Yeah,
it?
that's
I'm
wicked.
going to go around again. Let's try it again.
Mike's up with his heady.
Now the question is, will we get over the dragon's teeth or not?
Yes.
Let's have a look. Just got that. Lovely. Nice one. High five. Excellent.
We need a stone or something.
I've got some lead in the back of the car, off the church roof.
Yeah,
Oh, shouldn't have said
it's
that.
a little bit.
Was that St Mary's Church roof? No, I'll let it that bit out.
St Paul's.
The wing, we need to get it level with the tail.
Yeah, I noticed that one.
Yeah, when it was gliding in, it looked a bit.
Yeah, you can see it's quite
Hang
mixed.
on.
If we get it level, it might trim itself out a bit better.
Yeah, the wing's not parallel to that.
That way.
And a tad away, and I think we're there. We'll give it another go.
So the wing's got to go that way?
No. Yeah, actually, look, there's the centre. Is that the centre?
Yeah, there's the seam. Looks like the seam,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. That's not the centre of the seam, though, is it? No, it can't be the seam.
I don't know. It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a little
It
ridge.
needs
There's a little ridge that it sits in.
something.
But I mean, little bit of weight in the front, and that'll be.
Yeah, let's put some weight in the front.
Right.
How much do you reckon? How many?
Or stone or lead. Up to you.
5 grams, 10 grams? Don't know.
An eighth will do.
An eighth. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna stop filming and make a cigarette.
Goes up this time.
We'll try it a tad more. I just want it to stall out. She motors, doesn't she?
Yeah, did I have to go?
That's not even full throttle yet. Still climbing. That's power off. Hey! Wang!
That's a bit
Hey!
too nose heavy.
No, it's still tail heavy.
Is it? Oh, there goes
Still
quad.
gliding, gorgeous though.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? I like that.
Yeah, silhouette gets the name dragon wing, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want some slow passes?
Yeah, yeah. I'm not going to zoom in because I can't see properly because of the screen, but I'm just got it, you know. Nice. Yeah. Oh, hello. It's got a back of your head. Can I do another one?
Yeah.
That was alright. Stand over here.
I'll come towards us, yeah?
Yeah, okay. About there. Nice.
Yeah, said pan including the orange receiver.
What brand new is that?
All you've done is like you changed the connectors over to the Deans from the standard one.
That's wicked.
And you converted the cockpit to take a battery sitting on top, which completely upset the subject.
Because it was designed to have it new. It's not brand new.
That was a deceased stone.
You can see that tail still not
Yeah.
but it flies alright, doesn't it?
Well, it's got a lot of aileron in.
Oh, yeah? Just seems to fly okay. Oh, mind you, you're flying it, so.
Yeah. That's why it's flying, eh?
Yeah.
You'll see Terran models. And they've got a reef pack in there for the You've got lots of second hand.
It'd be even quieter if the prop weren't
It's
broken.
very expensive. There's one of these
Yeah, it's just,
hanging up.
yeah.
Tatio, then
Maybe a couple of new props.
It does fly. Actually, it flies like a microlight, if you know what I mean.
So Daryl,
Yeah. Oh, he'd be all over that. He'd be saying, give us a
there's a
go.
little man up front for him. His name Daryl is the pal.
She's quite nippy, really, isn't she?
You'll see some inversion in a minute.
I'm surprised that 1300 battery is still going.
I thought it lasts forever.
Because it's just something I had. It came with something else. I couldn't tell you what it came with. And it was in the shed, and I thought I'll charge that up just in case.
Sounds quite meaty with
It
that.
sounds like a microlight. It sounds
Yeah.
like a two-stroke microlight.
That's what my
Daryl would love this. He'd wet himself with excitement.
Well, there's another one down there, but it's 80 quid because it belongs to a customer, a different customer.
give us a
80
nice
quid's worth.
nice close flyby.
All right, I'll do one straight down the strip
Okay.
after buzzing everybody.
Okay. Lovely.
Considering it's flying completely out of trim and out of everything, it's actually bloody fun. It does fly like a microlight. It's awesome. It's growing on you, isn't it?
It's growing on me now.
Yeah. What battery's in there?
1300.
Crikey. A new prop and that'll be...
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll sound much nicer.
Yeah.
That's going to be the problem, sourcing a prop for it, isn't it?
No!
No.
Get one.
You get a
You, eBay, you could get shed loads of different props for that.
I think because it's so overpowered, it's why it's fun.
Yeah. I hear a quad.
We're getting it to do a down that time.
Right where Mike is, probably.
Okay.
I'm going to go somewhere else here. This is not easy trying to
You
get
get
this
behind you.
Comes.
Right, okay.
Oh.
Oh, might have been. Whoa! She's
That was a
down.
bad one. Let's do it again. You can edit that one out.
Right, do another one then.
Very good enough.
Yeah. He's going for it. It's gonna go, it's gonna go, it's gonna go, it's gonna go. Whoa! Yeah! Excellent.
Trim it at the moment because I've got full trim in and it's still like turning off. So,
Got a landing.
So we got another landing? No, just a touch. Oh yeah. Can't see it. There it is.
Pan in the sun.
Cool. And there's Mike with his heli. Just up there somewhere. There's Mark with his quad. Sounds like his batteries are going. That looks quite nice and scale up in the air when you've got the sky behind it. Isn't it?
It's hard. I'm giving it full.
Is it hard work keeping it up?
Yeah, it really is.
Well, full throttle?
No, not so much that. It's just keeping it where you want it to be.
Yeah.
And it's not like those
Oh.
silly rubbish things you have in the living room. You're constantly working on this.
These are good because they're like auto gyros. If you know what I mean, the speed of the blades make it turn rather than relying on the tail rotor. Ah, right in the sun. Go on then. Beautiful. Now see if you can land back on it. Yeah!
It's a bit bouncy, like.
That's alright.
That is so difficult to fly than what I thought it would be, though.
Right, go for it. Whoa! Excellent! Excellent! I didn't mean that low. Oh, that was absolutely wicked.
how low can you go?
Yeah, that was great.
Smell that pilot's trousers.
Yeah, poor bloke. Right then.
Knife edge too?
Knife edge loop, yeah.
Loop these, I think. Have you managed to do a hover in front and just pick it out of the sky like that guy in the telly?
Oh, you seen them with the 300cc motors?
Yeah.
Just doing that about a foot off the ground, and he just goes up and grabs the wing. It's mad. Kushti.
Fly by.
Lovely.